Namo Mahavaranyaya, Krishna Prema Pradayate, Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya, Namne Gorajvase Namaha. This is one prayer we have to glorify Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You heard many of the devotees, they know this prayer. Namo Mahavaranyaya. Varanyaya means so much magnanimous, so generous, so kind, so selfless. Why? Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving. Krishna Prema Pradayate. Pradayate, Pradan, Pradaya. He's giving. Krishna has come to give his love. When he came 5,000 years ago as Bhagavan Sri Krishna, he stood in Kurukshetra and he spoke the Bhagavad Gita. When he made some demands, he said, listen, surrender. Sarva dharman purityaja mamekam sharanam braja. Ham tvam sarva papebhyo mukshayishami mashucha. Surrender. You surrender to me, then I'll do something for you. First he made condition. I have a condition in our relationship. You scratch my back, I'll scratch yours. No scratchy mine, no scratchy yours. So Krishna made a condition. Krishna made a condition. You surrender, then what will I do? I'll take all your pap. Sarva pap. All your sins, moksha. I'll give you moksha, mukti. I'll liberate you from all your problems. But you have to surrender. And depend on me. So he made some condition. So people, the Bhagavad Gita has been hanging around for 5,000 years, 4,500 years. Very few people are surrendering. Very few people are getting the mercy of Krishna because they're not surrendering. They're not meeting the conditions. Terms and conditions applying. But there's no fine print on Lord Chaitanya's contract. There's no conditions. It's called unconditional. He's just saying, take it. I have the prem. I have Krishna prem. I am Radha's karuna. I am carrying Radha's compassion. Radha's heart is my heart. Radha's karunamayi. He's just saying, take this prem, Krishna prem, embrace it, taste it, enjoy it, distribute it, experience it. Oh, well, what do I have to do? Do I have to surrender? Like Bhagavad Gita? No. Do I have to do anything? No. Oh, good. Very good. I don't have to do anything. Okay, great. Give me the prem. Lay it on me. Pour it on me. Shower it. Give me the prem. Fill my pockets. Fill my car with prem. If you're distributing. He said, no, there is one. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu makes one condition. He makes one condition, but it's a painless condition. Surrendering is very painful. Every girl knows that, how painful it is to get married. How painful it is to surrender. Marriage is a mutual surrender. The man has to surrender to his wife has to surrender to his husband. Surrender is painful. It's not joyful. No pain, no gain. Krishna says surrender, no one does it, it's too painful, everyone avoids it. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu doesn't say surrender, but he makes a condition. Krishna's condition is surrender. No surrender, no reciprocation. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu makes a condition, but he doesn't ask for surrender. He simply says, enjoy. You like to sing and dance? Yes, I like to sing and dance. Singing and dancing gives me joy, gives me pleasure. When I feel good, I dance. I like to dance. And I like to dance with others. Is it any fun to dance in your own room in front of the mirror? So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, there's one condition. I will give you love, unlimited love, unalloyed, nirmal prem, pure love I will give you. All you have to do is sing and dance. Oh, that's not a very difficult condition. So sing and dance, and especially try this song. It's a very nice song. If you try this song, it automatically makes you dance. If you sing it enough, you start dancing. If you're not dancing when you start singing, eventually if you keep singing, you'll start dancing. This song makes you dance. It's a very special song. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai, Radharani ki jai, Giridharan ki jai, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Jayanti ki jai, Jai Jai Shri Radhe.